What's for breakfast?
We are trying a new product today. They're dehydrated hash browns, but don't get the wrong idea because they're fantastic. So we're having hash browns, sausage patties, and eggs.
Oh yeah.
And lots of coffee. What we have here are some dehydrated hash browns in this nifty container, and it's so great because they don't have to be refrigerated.
Oh.
So to get them going, we just need to add some hot water to the carton and let it sit for about 12 minutes, and then we'll be good to go.
Oh, so you just pour it right in the container. Ah, that's cool.
Yep. Easy. Foolproof.
When you're not here, easy's good for me, let me tell you.
And you just fill it up, close it, and they need to rehydrate. And I'll show you what they look like in about 12 to 15 minutes. So, the potatoes sat for about 12 minutes. They were nice and plump. The carton does say to drain them well. However, I find that after 12 to 15 minutes, they've rehydrated enough, soaked up all the water. There's really not much left to drain. The other good thing about these, they're good for at least a year. We bought a 6-pack at Costco and the expiry date is next June. So we are good. So I just heated a little bit of oil in the pan, dumped them out, and they're pan frying nicely right now, as you can see. We're also having some sausage patties with our hash browns and eggs today, and I'm going to cook them on the grill. It's already warmed up, so I'm just going to throw them on.
Now you had froze those originally and then thawed them, correct?
Correct. I froze them nice and flat and vacuum sealed them. Packed them away in the freezer portion of our cooler, and took them out a couple days ago to thaw in the fridge. To these I don't usually add a whole lot other than a little bit of pepper, parsley. Here is a little seasoning salt, not too much though. There we go. I'm just going to check the sausage and we'll be ready to add our eggs to this right away. So now that our hash browns are fried and golden, I'm going to cook the eggs in the same pan. I've just made 4 little wells within the hash browns. I'm going to crack an egg in each well. There.
I notice you don't use the side of the pan.
I like to use no, I don't, because what happens when you crack an egg on the side of a pan or a bowl, the shells tend to get pushed up into the egg as opposed to a flat surface. So we're going to cover this The eggs will fry and steam the top a little bit. There's no flipping required. In a few minutes we're going to be ready to eat. So I noticed the eggs needed a little bit of help with the steam. So I'm just adding a few drops of water here and there, not too much. Don't want to make things soggy, just to give a little steam power to help cook the top of the egg, because that's the way we like them.
That's a good idea.
Look at that. Looks like we will take a second one.
It was already pre-cooked. You're just basically warming them up.
Yeah, warming them up and browning them a little bit.
Could you put them in frozen if you had to?
Absolutely. Yes.
Awesome.
Breakfast. Haha.
Who's the lucky boy?